good bit is that the sun's shining. I'm going to make a cake, and hopefully you're going to watch this and want to make that cake yourself, because obviously we've all got a lot more time on our hands right now. This is one of those cakes which you kind of, put a few ingredients together, bung it in the oven and forget about it, have a cup of tea, do some work, and then it's ready. And then you make another cup of tea to go with the slice of cake. Going to start with 150 grams of really soft butter. I left it out overnight, and I'm going to add 150 grams of right now I've got golden granulated sugar, so that's what I'm using. You can use caster sugar, golden caster sugar, whatever you have at home. To this I'm going to add 3 ripe bananas. They are medium size, so I'm going to just put them in and mash them up with, they are so soft that I just need to mash them up with the wooden spoon, and that'll be fine. Next goes in 2 large eggs. Next goes in 200 grams of plain flour. And with that goes in 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And just fold it all in. And just a couple more things to end. I've got a large orange. I'm going to add the zest of this. It'll add lovely flavor. And the last thing is some chocolate orange. Now you can add any chocolate leftovers that you have. You can use milk chocolate, dark chocolate, chocolate chips, but I am going to use some of these chocolate orange because we've already got some orange flavor in here. This is just going to go so well with the banana and the orange zest. I'm going to roughly chop these, maybe a couple more. And just throw it in our mix. And all you've got to do is fold it all in. And here I've got a loaf tin, and I'm going to just get a little bit of butter. Just line it up. this will go in the oven at 180°C for 40 to 45. My kitchen smells so good. I kept it in for 45 minutes. Now it needs another 10 minutes. And it's baked beautifully. It was initially in for 45 minutes, but it wasn't done. So another 10 minutes and total of 55. And it looks and smells amazing. You can just enjoy the cake as it is because it is amazing. But I always like to add a bit more chocolate on top. And for that, I have got 50 grams of chocolate orange and 50 grams of dark chocolate, and I'm going to combine these two in a bowl. And then I'm going to pour 200 ml of boiling double cream and then leave it for 10 seconds and then stir it all in. I've taken a plate which has got a slight kind of depth to it, because once I pour the chocolate in, then it's just going to go all over. I am going to finish this with a sprinkling of roasted chopped hazelnuts for a little bit of crunch. Then I'm just going to get some more chocolate. This, my friends, is the amazing slice of cake. Oh, just that addition of orange makes such a big difference. My kitchen is smelling incredible, and it's such a light, soft sponge. I'm going in. Oh my god. I have no words. Damn. That is so good. That is just, oh my god, that is just amazing. Absolutely amazing. I am going to make a cup of tea, sit down and enjoy it, and I hope you guys are going to give this a go. Give us a thumbs up if you like the recipe. I will see you back again very soon with another quick recipe that I'm making in the next few days. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.